nice and clean.
But today we're doing don't choose the wrong soap.
Hand soap.
Can soap.
Hand soap. Wait, did you say can?
I thought you said can soap.
No, it's
hand
hand
soap.
It's hand soap.
Bake it.
Guys, we have all these hand soaps, and you don't know whether you're going to get glue or soap. But before we get started, have you subscribed and hit the notification bell? You didn't? Did you subscribe and hit the notification
You
bell?
guys didn't? You guys need to subscribe. We're going to give you
18
minutes.
18 seconds.
18 minutes.
We're going to give you 8 minutes.
That's
Why?
8 minutes. What?
Okay,
Okay, guys, I'm gonna scan through here, and by the time I'm done, I hope you have hit subscribe and notification bell. This is our new channel, Naya versus Ellie. Make sure you subscribe, or you're gonna miss out on all the fun. And did you do it? You did it?
No.
You what? What?
But look,
What?
we guys also have more.
Yeah, we also have merch. Make
Why
sure you
is
check that out.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah.
Why does she always do that?
Okay, Ellie, you get the first number. Okay, so number 10. So, Ellie, you have this beautiful lavender soap. We don't know if it's soap or if it is glue. You want to open it up and see what
But
you
if
got?
it's actually soap, it'll smell quite good.
Oh, let's see. Let's hope. You can throw that in the trash.
It's
Oh, it's soap.
Soap's like gel.
Yeah, I know. The soap is like
that.
it's like.
It doesn't look like jello when it comes up like that, but it
What if
does.
the wall is wrong with the soap? Why does it? It's like yelling in his notes.
All right.
It smells so good, mommy.
You're going like slow mo.
This is-
It's like
this is
Ellie
heavy.
thinks she's gonna win if she makes her turn go really
6.
long. Okay, so
Oh, Ellie.
That's not pink. I don't like that color.
Naya
she
has
wanted this one.
peach hand soap. We're not sure, and it does look pink.
Ooh, Ellie, I don't
Definitely-
like that.
Okay, I'm sure.
She likes this one.
So this peach one,
And
guys,
this one.
and leave a comment below. Are you team big sister, which is Naya, or team little sister, which is Ellie?
That you
Look
don't
at
wanna
this
be
soap.
on because
Let's
they
see.
always.
I think you got like.
I'm sorry. Oh, I get soap.
That soap smells good.
Wait, is it?
Nope, that is actually glue.
I love people.
Naya got pretty pink glue.
Ah!
Oh, I thought you didn't like that
Yeah,
color,
this
Ellie.
was
Yeah, I thought that was ugly.
You know what that color? It's brown with gray stars. And it's like black.
I didn't say
It's
anything
like-
about
It
yours,
looks
so
like it looks like a pig grid. It looks like a pig.
Okay, round 2. Let's see,
Yeah, it
guys.
does.
Who do you think is going to win round 2? Will it be Ellie or
Yeah,
Naya?
this green. And she's gonna find
What is it?
green.
Ah!
Oh, Ellie, your favorite
I
color.
said get that color.
But I can
Ellie,
make
is this your favorite color, Ellie?
You know what I'm gonna do?
This is Ellie's probably worst color. So
I
she
ca-
has
I'm
another.
not-
You
give
got
it to me.
You got another
I hope Ella
lavender.
will get that color. And if she gets like this red color, no.
Let's see if she has soap or glue. I hope I got that last round, guys. I thought I did because
Okay, guys.
that got weird. Guys, I'm so sorry. I accidentally cut off the camera for this round. But let me tell you what they got. Naya got another pink color and Ellie got the orange. So sorry, so sorry. I'll try not to mess up anymore. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so here is number 7. Naya got number 7.
I don't know it.
And she got strawberry sugar.
Ellie's so
Mommy,
young.
that's
No, if I got that
All
color,
right.
Ellie would.
I will literally want it to trade. I smell it.
No, you can't.
You almost stabbed it. Oh, let's see.
It's clear, so like
That is actually soap.
Yay! So it smells good and it's clear. That's lucky.
I'm mad.
So she has soap.
Please
Okay.
make it awkward.
All right, so round 4 now. You guys so far,
on,
whose
come on.
slime are you loving? Is it little sisters or big sisters?
Ellie's green number is number 9.
Here you go. No, she looks like a cheating heart. She looks like she has a cheating
Yeah, she
heart.
got number 9 though.
12.
This is number 12.
That would still mess me up.
Beautiful blue.
Plus,
Ellie,
I
do
got
you
that
love this?
Strawberry.
And look, you can see, there's Ellie looking angry. Let's see angry Ellie. All right, here you go, Ellie. Guys, Just open it over your bin so we don't get soap everywhere, or
If I
slime
was
everywhere, or
Ellie,
glue.
I'd be so happy.
Ellie, I think you have glue.
Oh, that looks pretty though.
It looks like an art piece.
Mine just looks like a color.
Okay, so now let's see.
If I get number 9, Ellie's gone.
Ellie, why is your
I
bin?
get number 9 though.
Did you get number 9?
No, number 2.
Number 2. Naya got this bright green coconut lime.
Yeah, but lucky for
Coconut
me.
lime sounds good. It sounds like you could eat it. I want to eat some coconut
Oh,
lime.
yes.
Yeah,
Ellie.
yeah.
What if I get that color?
So let's see. Naya, do you think you have glue?
Oh,
Or do you
Ellie,
have
you
soap?
should not have said that. This smells. I'm not letting you smell. You don't want to know.
Is that glue or slime? I mean, glue or
No,
soap?
Ellie, you can't smell it.
Come on, let's see what you have.
It's
Oh, that is glue.
Yeah, but it smells.
Yeah.
Now pour the whole thing. It just smells bad or good? All right, so Ellie, pick a number. Don't look at it. Naya, pick a number. Don't look at it. We're going to do the second to last round as a switch up. Meaning they're going to open their numbers, see which one they got, and they can either switch or keep what they have if they've written rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3, go. No. Open up your number. Sorry. She has 4.
8.
Ooh, Ellie got 8, one of her favorite colors, and Naya got 4, which is this yellow. Let's do rock, paper, scissors to see if they will keep or trade.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
All right, Ellie, are you going to keep yours?
Yes.
Okay, here's Ellie's, and
But
let's
it's not gonna work on all these
let's see Ellie pour hers out. Let's see if she got glue or something. Open it over your bin.
See,
Oh, she got soap again, guys.
See,
It looks
it
like
doesn't-
jelly soap.
Yeah,
It looks
it's-
really pretty.
it doesn't, but that doesn't make yours pretty.
So does Big Sister have glue or
Ooh, mine's gonna be
soap?
pretty. I
Oh, you definitely have glue.
don't know. The trick's on you. This is the glue challenge. You know what? I would never have knives in my life. My life. Ellie's just jealous because I have all her but rainbow makes brown when you mix it up. So
Okay, so once again, we're going to take our numbers
But if I can just work on this
and we're going to open at the same time.
one. 1, 2, 3. 1. 9! Yes!
Okay, so
But is
Ellie
it
got
the top again?
Ellie got
No.
1,
No.
Naya got 9. We are going to do another switch
that
up.
doesn't make sense.
Yeah, we're
We-
doing a double switch up.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! What does she keep red?
All right, so Ellie has decided to take this strawberry red soap,
But I hope it's not glue, because then I'm gonna be like,
and then
"Trick's on you!"
Naya has this coconut lime again.
Yum.
All right, Ellie, let's see if you have, open it over this bin.
Please say
Let's see if she has glue or she has glue.
I don't.
Yeah, that's glue.
No, it's not.
No, it's glue. Trust me, I know that's glue.
I'm done.
Let's see.
Yay, people! I get glue. I get
Naya has soap.
Yay!
I labeled these so I know which one's soap. and
Tricks
which
on
one's
you.
glue.
Tricks
Where
on
did
you.
you layer them?
It's a secret hidden
And the
spot.
top.
All right, so now let me show you guys what they look like. Team Little Sister, aka Ellie.
wait.
So this is what you're working with. This is quite a beautiful piece of art. I wonder what it's going to look like mixed up.
It's the blood.
Okay, and so in here, Team Naya,
I
Team
have
Big
a
Sister.
beautiful. It's that blood.
Take a look at hers. Do you like hers?
It got messed up by this.
Whose art?
Stop.
Whose do you prefer before we even mix it?
I'm gonna get you.
All right, guys, start mixing. Let's see what you get.
I don't want to.
Ooh, it looks like it's turning into slime. Pretty good.
Yeah. Ooh, people. Ooh.
It's not ready yet, Ellie. Ellie.
Not too bad. Not too bad, mommy.
Ellie, yours looks like blackberry jam.
What does mine look like? Yes.
Orange Fanta.
I hate orange Fanta. It looks like orange cheese.
Orange cheese. It looks like American
No,
cheese.
cheddar cheese.
Yeah. Guys, leave a comment. Whose slime do you think is going to turn out the best?
Oh, Ellie. Oh, Ellie. Oh, Oh, first
no,
I
it
didn't
says,
know my slime would turn out. Mine's like a jelly plum.
Mine has a great texture. I think it has a much better texture. My slime is so bubbly and
My slime is kind of rough.
It's rough.
Yay!
It's not rough. It looks good.
I'm happy today. I have beautiful color and such good texture.
How is your slime doing, Ellie? It looks beautiful.
Mine smells so good though. I can't start some. Oh, do my socks just want to go? Help me. Oh, Mommy, my socks just fell off.
Okay, so Team Big Sister Naya, look at your slime. This is what you're working with. It's super soft and super stretchy. Whoa, let's look at that.
It's just so fun.
Here is your slime up close.
Oh, my slime is
Okay.
Look, guys, if you're on Team Naya, this is what you get, people.
This is little sister Team Ellie.
She
Let's
is pink.
Whoa, hers actually turned out to like a purplish pink, which is kind of crazy. How did it turn to this color? So you never know what color you're going to get when you start mixing these. Whoa.
I get this beautiful orange color.
Whoa! All right, so Team Ellie, look at your slime. It is kind of like a pinky purple. It turned out that way. It's actually very pretty. Oh, and look at that. Team Naya, you have a bubble. All right, 1, 2, 3, stretch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, stretch. 1, 2, 3, stretch. 1, 2, 3, stretch.
I can carry mine.
So guys, leave a comment. Are you Team Naya or Team Ellie? Team Big Sister or Team Little Sister? That's it for this slime challenge. Make sure you subscribe to Naya versus Ellie, and we will see you on the next slime challenge. This is great slime,
Look,
though.
Mommy,
All the
look,
slime is
Mommy,
good.
look.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
What? I'm trying to slime all over me. Ah!